Okay, this is from the PowerPoint that has the multiple choice questions. And when we are talking about the multiple choice questions, you have to have the item in slideshow to see the correct answer. So this is Paramount purchased inventory for $5,300 and it paid a $260 freight bill. Note the freight bill is freight in, and that is part of inventory. We also know that we returned 30% to the seller of the goods and we qualified for a 10% purchase discount. So our final cost of the inventory is actually going to be $3,599. Now, how you obtain that is basically we start with the $5,300 in inventory that we have, and then we take away from it 30%, so that gives us $1,590. And if we subtract that amount from the $5,300, we would get $3,710. So now we have taken care of the $5,300 and the 30% of goods. Since we are entitled to a 10% purchase discount, you multiply that by 10% and you get $371. So if you take the $3,710 minus the $371, you end up with $3,339. So then we've handled this piece. So the only piece that is left is the $260 of freight in, and that we are allowed to add to inventory. So that gives us our final value of $3,599. Hope that helps in solving the problem for you.